Hello everybody. Today I'm going to use a real data to explain to you how to solve a problem using TEXTJOIN function. Assume that you have records for sales order data. We have sales order number, customer, plant, date, item, material number, and so on. For each sales order, for each unique sales order, you have one or more items. For example, this sales order number ends with 929. It has 23 items. Okay, let us select one more. Okay, this one it has only 4: 20, 30, 50, and 100. We need to create a formula to read the sales order number and get you the item numbers for that sales order separated by a comma. For example, we'll copy here this sales order number 14302314 just for an example. Okay, and the formula shall result 20, 30, 50, and 100 separated by comma. So this is the required result: 20, comma, 30, 50, comma, 100. So instead of writing for each sales order, we need to create a formula to perform that. Let me first introduce you the TEXTJOIN function. The TEXTJOIN function consists of 3 arguments: delimiter, ignore empty, and text. So if the delimiter is comma and ignore empty true, true for to ignore empty and false not to ignore empty cells, and text can be 1 or 2 or more. So we'll take those 2 cells. The result will be the sales order number, comma, 20, 30, 40, and 30, 50, and 100. So how to use TEXTJOIN function in an array formula to get you this result. Equal TEXTJOIN, the delimiter is comma between 2 brackets, equal TEXTJOIN, the delimiter is comma between 2 quotes, comma, true to ignore empty cells and false for include empty cells. We are going to choose true, comma. Here, this is the power of array formula. So we'll make an if formula. If this column equal this cell, comma, EE column in sheet 1, which represents item. The value if false is blank, just blank. Close, close. Instead of pressing enter, we will press Ctrl Shift Enter. This is a result equivalent to what we wrote manually. Let us try another sales order number. Okay, this one, it has 120. So choose another example. Okay, let us take this one. Copy, paste. Let us copy or drag the formula. So it gives 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on up to 1210. 1210. So that if we need to have a complete list of sales order, unique sales orders, and equivalent item numbers separated by comma, copy the whole column A, make new sheet, paste, paste special, from data, remove duplicates, press OK. So this is a unique sales order number, copy and paste here. So we don't need this anymore. For this one, we can drag it to the end. Double click. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please feel free to ask any question in the comment. Goodbye.